Right. When you take a word processing software, here I'm using as an example MS Word. When we use word processing software, you can see basically this is the page, right? Very first thing I like to discuss about page layout. Page layout. Then first thing is what I need to think about the page size, orientation, and everything. And here, when you take page layout, what are the things that you can see? All right, you here size, right? A4, A3, A5, like that. We can change the page size. I have selected A4 sheet, and then orientation is that portrait or landscape, right? Here I select portrait, and regarding margins, we can select, right? We can have customized margins, or they have given some top, bottom, left, right, those margins. Then we can select from that also, right? And then here columns. That's another thing. I will explain it later. Right. Anyway, now I have selected if sheet. Page size is A4 and I have selected its orientation as well and margins. Here I need, yes, I'm going to use this normal mode and then again home. And not only that, if we need to have headers and footer, borders, then how to change them? How to change them? Here you can see design, right? Section is there, right? And right side, page borders. You can see page borders, right? When you select page borders, here you can see 3 tabs are there: border, page border, shading. So here we select page borders. Right here you can see what? It's none or box or shadow or 3D, right? I'm going to select box. Right. And then if we can select the style, right? This is the style I need, and all the other changes we can do. And if we need to give page number, header, footer, all right. Here, insert. Yes, insert. Right. And in this part, we can see what? Header, okay, and footer, right? We can select any style or we can customize them. And footer also. And then page number. Page number, I'm going to select bottom of page and plain number 3. Right. We have only a single page. Right. We have only a single page, and if you need to have a different page, you can press enter, control enter, then you can have 2 pages and more pages you can take like that. Now see. Right. Now we have 2 pages. Right. Then let's have a document, right? We are going to type something and we're going to insert an image. We're going to insert a table, right? If you type, let's take the first page. Right. Like that, I'm going to type a paragraph. Right. Now you can see it clearly. Right. I need to copy this text. I'm going to select it. Right. Right click on this. Right. Here. Right. I'm going to use a shortcut key. What is the shortcut key? Right. This is the shortcut key. Control plus C. I think you can see it here. Control plus C. Right. when we select this text and Control plus C, and then again Control plus V. All right. This is for copy, right? Then Control plus V, that is for paste. Right, that is for paste, shortcut key. Or you can right click on the text, and here we can see copy. And again, when you need to paste it, right click on the place where you want to keep that copy. Then you can see paste here. Right. Now, another thing. I need to change its alignment. Select the text here using what? Left align, center, right align, and justify. Left align, center, right align, and justify. See? Right. I need to have a topic, heading. Heading 1. Right. I can select the text, then increase the font size, and we can use bold, italic, underline. Right. Like that, you can see this. What? Yes. And I'm going to have another part. Right. Right. I think this part, right, we need for this formatting. Right. I think now it's clear. Now it's clear. Yes. And what about this? Calibrate border, body, right? 11, that means font size, right? Here you can see, here, font size. And using this part, A, I'm going to have this. Okay. Right. This is for font sizer. And what is this? Right. Let's see. Using that part, I'm going to select this. And here you can see sentence case, lowercase, right, uppercase. Now you can see when we select the option, you can see the difference. Heading level. Let's take another term. Right. What is that? Heading level. And another thing is there toggle case. First letter simple or the other letters capital. Like that. That is change case option. Change case option. Right. And another thing, what? Bullets and numbering. This is bullets and this is numbered. Then indentation, left indentation and right indentation. Now you can see. We'll select the paragraph and right indentation. See, and left indentation. Okay. And next thing. Here I'm going to have 12th, right? 12 August 2024. And another term I'm going to insert H2O. Right, here TH. You know, we need to change this. How to change this? Here you can see this tool. Superscript. Okay. When you write H2O, here can you see this? Subscript. Okay. Like that you can use these terms. I think basically these tools are okay and you know them well. And line spacing. Yes, using this you can change the line spacing. Right. And fill color, right? Okay. Now I'm going to have the table. Insert Insert table here and picture and auto shape, right? And chart like that. All the objects you can insert through this part. First, let's insert a picture. Insert a picture, right? Insert, select the picture, right? And there is an image. This image we are going to insert. Okay. This image we are going to insert. Right. But there is a problem. When you move it, it's difficult. So change its mode. Double click on that. Then automatically format tab will be activated. Yes. Now you can see wrap text. In front of, top and bottom, behind text. See, behind text and height, square, like that. We can change this in front of text. Now what happened? Text will be there. Yes. Then again, you can drag it. And not only that, picture border. And we can crop this picture. See, crop. Right. That is not regarding size. We have cropped. Okay. And if you need to reduce the size, okay. Now, in this way, we can reduce the size. And not only that, border, picture border. In this way, we can change all these things. Right? Let's go to insert a table. Insert table. Here, you can see, you can give number of columns, number of rows like that you can give. Right? Okay. This is the heading. Right. And here you have 5 columns. Now you need to have an extra column. Select the column, right? Next to this, you are going to insert another column. Right click on that. Insert. Insert column to the right. Row is also same. Right here I have typed this. Here I have typed this. And I need to add a record. I need to add a row right after this one. Select the row, right click on that, insert row below. Finish. Right. And you can change the style, select the table and design is there. There are different styles. Okay. Right. And regarding the topic, there is another way that you can add. How to add them? Right. Insert. What is this? Word art. Insert word art. You can select the style. You can select the style and you can type your text. Right. Finished. Not finished actually, that part. Right. And auto shapes. Regarding auto shape. Insert shapes. Then you can select shapes and smart art. Smart art. When you select smart art, it will display all the styles. Right. And we can change its style, design. We can change its style, design, see, colors, color code. And you can type it here. Right. I have done a summary. Yes, I have done a summary. Shall we go for the question paper? Then we can see what type of questions are there. Okay. Right. Now, look at this question paper. See, What is the file extension which is not used in word processing software? Right. Now again, let's go to that software. Right now, let's save this document. File, save. As this is the first time we can use save. After we save this file, if we need to save it in another place, in another name, using another name, then we have to use save as. Right. Anyway, save this file. Then select the place. Yes. Desktop. I'm going to save this file. Right. I'm going to give a file name here. Right. Can you see? DOCX. Oh, it can be DOZ based on the version. Right. So this is the what? Yes. This is the file extension. See DOZX or DOC. And we can save and give the name and we can save it. Right. Now let's go to the paper again. Right. What is the file extension which is not used in word processing software? Right. You know what? DOZX. Yes. It is a file extension of a word processing software. And doc. Yes. ODT. Free and open source. But PPT is not the answer. It's not the correct file extension. So that is the answer here. And then. Right. Another thing. Which of the following combination can be used to move the text and graphics of a program running on a Windows operating system? That is not word processing. That is operating system. Anyway, that is regarding move. So cut and paste. So word processing also. What is the command for moving? Cut and paste. Right. And another thing. Which of the following is not an example for word processing software? What is the answer? My Office Word, Microsoft Office, yeah. Yes. LibreOffice Writer, OpenOffice Writer, all are word processing software. But Office, OpenOffice Calc, that is spreadsheet software. Yes. And another thing, regarding chart types, let's take this question. What is the most suitable chart type to interpret annual income of farm? We will discuss this with spreadsheet software. And right, let's go to the second paper. Right, here you have word processing question. What happened here? The following is the advertisement prepared using word processing software. Answer the questions asked in the box labeled A to E. What are the text formatting to get the title of A? Text formatting. Yes, underline. And you can see word art is there. Center. Yes, okay. And B, what? This is bulleted list. So you have used bulleted list. And C, it's centered. It's centered. And here, advertisement, right. That is regarding hyperlink. That can be hyperlink, right? If we can click on this text and go to another website or another place, that is hyperlink. I will explain that also. Otherwise, this is underline. Text formatting, that is underline. And then what is there? Email address. Yes, but they ask about formatting part. So underline and italic. Yes. And what is the tool to get a list as B? Tool is what? Bulleted list. Right. And what is the method of aligning paragraph C? Yes. Select the text and Go to what? Alignment. Right. Center. Click on center alignment. Then we can do this. A red line is drawn under the word label D. That means it is not a hyperlink. That is what? Red line. No. That is not the answer. Red line is drawn under the word label D. What is the reason? Normally we know what? We can, yes. We have not given, they say what is the reason for that? What is the tool that can be used to fix it? Look at this. Here with this document, right? There is a text. Now here also you can see red line is there. But I have not given that line. What is the reason? Right click on that. It says it should be heading like this. And it says, this is also like this. That means there is a spelling and grammar. Yes. With that part, they say it should be like this. That's why they have given red line under that. When you correct it, now it's okay. Right. And again, to the next question. What is the tools used to enter the email address specified in E? Italic, underline. Yes. And another question. Look at this. The word following are some of the commands and tools used in word processing software. Briefly describe what they can do. Undo. We can reverse the previous step. And copy. We can have a copy of a selected part. It can be a text or image. Fine. I will explain that. Here. Right. I use my keyboard and press Control plus F. Control plus F. Right. Here you can see what? Right. Find. Find and replace. See, find. That means I'm going to find whether any term is there as level. Find next. It says this is the level term. Is there any other thing? No, finished. If you have 100 levels, okay, it will show all the text, highlight. And replace means what? I'm going to replace. There is a text called level, but its first letter is not capital. So I'm going to replace the correct text. First letter capital, level. Now look at what happened. Replace all. Yes, one replacement is there anyway. See, it has replaced. Right. And next question. Okay, fine. Sort means what? We can sort it. We can sort our text. If we have number of text, let's see. Another thing. Sort. Here I will explain in this way. You have a list with word processing, spreadsheet software. I will explain. You need to sort it according to the ascending order. So you will select the list and you will sort it. I will show it. And change case, now we know, right? We can change this case of the text. And there are 5 different types of cases. Toggle case, sentence case, uppercase, lowercase, like that. What can be done using following shortcut keys? Control P is for printing. Now look at this. I'm going to press Control P. Control plus P. That is for printing. Alright. That is for printing. Okay. I have to select the printer using this, and then how many copies are there, and all the pages. So customize page, and one-sided or double-sided, like that. You can select and give the printing command. So in this way we can explain. And Control N. Why? That is for a new page. That is for a new page. So now I will explain what are the available shortcut keys, right? What are the available shortcut keys? Right. Control plus N. New page. Control plus, yes. Control plus X. Shall I press it? Control plus X. Now see what happened. Yes. Okay. There is a question. Cut and paste. No. That is not regarding cut and paste. For cut, yes. Control plus. Now look at this. Select this text. Control X. Definitely. Control plus X. That is for cut, right? You're going to move that text or any other element. And then how to paste it? Yes. Control plus V. Plus means while pressing the control key, you're going to press V. And if it is regarding copy, then C. And there is another text, control plus W. What happened? Look at this. That means we can close it. We can close it. So now here it says, okay, you have not saved. You need to save. And if you need to save a document, what is the command? Control plus S. Control plus X. If you need to underline, control plus underline. If you need to bold, control plus B. If you need to make it italic, control plus I. Like that, there are different ways. Right. Control plus B for bolding, control plus I for italic, and control plus U for underline. Right. Is that clear? Yes, good. And then I'm going to have another paper, right? Then we can go to the spreadsheet part. Right. See, which of the following statement is incorrect regarding word processing document? It can be pasted several times when copied once. Yes. It can't be get deleted items. No, we can. It can be moved, move a word using cut and paste. Yes. So A and C. Correct. Incorrect. B. Right. And then which of the following statements are correct regarding icons A, B, C? Right. A, that is for save. Right here you can see it save. B for undo. And C for redo. Yes. And another question, in word processing software, which of the following keyboard shortcut is used to center alignment? Yes, you know, control plus A. I didn't tell you. What? Select all. And control plus C, you know, copy. Then control plus E and J. Let's see. Right. I'm going to select this text. Control plus E. Center. Right. Control plus J. Left alignment. Again E. Center. Right. Okay. And another question. Right. I'm going to give you that question. Then you can select your, give your answer. Okay. Right. What is the question? Question is here. I think it's better to get this question. Right. This is the question. And this is the page. Right. I think you can see it now. Yes. Can you give me answers? Yes, I think you can't see it clearly. Wait. This is the table. This is the word processing part. Right. Okay, Buddha, I will give you. Sure, recording will be there. Right. I think you. Okay. And then what is the next part? Yes. Now, okay. Right. I think now it's clear. Yes. Can you give me answers? Yes, 5 minutes. Uh, you can see here in Microsoft Word, you can insert a table by writing. There is a text, right? It's not a special thing. There is a text. All right. And then this is what? Bulleted list. And this is what? Table. And this is what? Heading. And insert table. Right. Align the topic which is labeled. This is the first question I'm going to read. Align the topic which is labeled named as into the center. Yes, you know what? This one. Formatting the paragraph which is named as B. Formatting the paragraph. That means what? Here you can see it. Yes. Okay, good. And what is that? Justify. And then processing. Next one. The line which is labeled as D in the above table. Right. D. There is a row. Okay. I will show it. There is a table. Select this and let's select this. Select all the cells and right click and merge. And you can center it. Right. Okay. Processing the line as D. What is that? Yes, merge. Here. This way also you can see. Split table. You can break it into two. Split cells. Single cell. You can have two cells in that cell. And then merge. When you select number of cells, you can see that icon will be activated. Merge. So here, for this you need what? Merge. Right? And then next one, to insert a new record below the records A, Ravindu. Insert a new record. Right, okay, below. And to separate this one, to separate the column gender into two parts as male and female. What? To separate the column gender into two parts as male and what is the column? Gender. Right, male and female. If you need to break it into two, what? Split. Yes. And then to make the list which is named as C, what is the tool? Right. Okay. I think that's enough. Can we go to discuss spreadsheet software? Spreadsheet software, right? This is a spreadsheet software. Here I am using Excel, Microsoft Excel, Office package. And here you can see, right, here also it's better to identify all the required things, right? Its interface. Home, insert, right? See, what are the things that you can insert? You can insert a table, you can insert a picture, you can insert shapes. So now I'm not going to explain them. With word process software, we discussed them. Here special thing are chart and page layout, that is also same, right? Earlier we discussed margin, orientation, everything same. And here specially we can discuss data, sorting part, right? And review. Okay, let's prepare a worksheet here. Let's prepare a worksheet here. Right. I select the worksheet. Here you can see we can have some other worksheets also. So I'm in sheet 1 now. Then we will prepare a mark sheet. Number, name, maths, science, English, and then I need what? I need total. Right. And then total. And then average. Okay. Right. What are the things we have to learn here? Let's see it first. Right. I couldn't show it. Workbook, worksheet, column, rows. Right. Okay. Cell and numbers, text. How to rename a worksheet. And cut, copy and paste everything. Calculations, sum, max, min, count, rank. Okay, right, let's go. Number, name, math, science, English, total, average. And I need rank as well. Okay, and number. 1, I have 10 students. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But without typing all these things, that I have typed 1 and 2 only, then I select these two cells. I select these two cells. Then here you can see fill handle. Right, bottom right corner, fill handle. Click on that and drag it. That means if you have entered 2 or 3 values, there is a pattern. Using fill handle, you can get that pattern continuously. Using fill handle, we can do it. We can continue it. And let's type some names. Right. I have given some names. right? Have taken only 4 and then some marks are there. Okay, right. Now look at this. And there is another requirement for this sheet. Here I need to mention a single, merge. You can use the merge facility, right? Subjects. And I need to select these 3 cells and I need to make it as a single cell. How to do that? Merge and send. And in this way also we can do that, merge and send. And another thing again, merge and center. Total also we can do merge and center. And here and rank, everything. Then I need what? Okay, borders. Yes, borders. Select the cell range and then select all borders. And there should be another heading. Subject mark sheet. Mark sheet. Right. Here. Select the row number 1, right click on that, insert. There is a new row. So now I can type what? Mark sheet. And also I need to merge this. Bold. Right. Okay. What about the total? How to find the total? When we use spreadsheet, there is an advantage. Benefits are there. No need to calculate them again manually. We can have their function formulas, right? And we can form them or we can use previously given. They have given some functions, right? Very first thing, I'm going to do it manually. Equal 56 plus 45 plus 90. Look at this. This is also correct. You can see the answer. But if you change any value, 45, I'm going to change it as 78. What happened to the total mark? Did it change? No. Right? No. Let's use another method. Equal. You're not going to type 56. You select the cell. Plus. And again select the cell. Plus. Select the cell. Enter. Now change the mark 98. What happened? Automatically the total will be changed. Total will be changed automatically. Right. What happened? We can, right. We can type what? To get the total, right? We can type this. That is also correct. And another thing, right? Again, another thing. No need to type all the things. There is a function. This is a formula. Remember, right? This is a formula. Formula. Right? Here. When you have a paper, see, they will give a sheet and sample and they will ask questions, right? We can discuss these questions in another session. Right, this is a formula and they have given some other functions as well. Functions, let's see. Equal sum, that is the function, open bracket, select the cell range, V4 to F4, close the bracket, right. Then also we can get that answer, right. What is the function for the same thing? Finish. Right. I think it's clear now. Yes. Now what happened? No need to do it again and again. Select the cell, use the fill handle and get the value. And again, how to get the average? Equal total divided by 3. That is also same. Correct. Right. That is also correct. Right. This is for average. What is that? It's a formula. It's a formula. And another method, function, not only function actually, another formula is there. What? Open bracket, this plus this plus this, close bracket. Right. It's another formula. It's another formula. Right. And there is a function as well. Average, open bracket, these are the cells, close bracket. That is what it's a function. Right. I think now it's clear. Yes. So there are some other functions, right? Here also using fill handle, you can select it. And rank. What about the rank? In my class, there are what? Yes, 40 students. So I need to find the ranks. Why do you worry about that? Equal rank open bracket. See here, it will give you the support. What is the number? This is the number. Comma. Right? What is the range? This is the range. මේගොල්ලන්ගෙන් තමයි අපි මෙයාව select කරන්නේ. Close it. Close it. Right. Again, remember rank, open bracket, select the value 1. And shall we change the mark here? Then you can see rank will be changed. 97. Now it's 2 because place 1 is for another student. Right. Shall we drag it down? Look at the result. There is a problem, I think. What happened? Here, H4 selected, right? And range is H4 to H7. Correct. H4 to H7. This is the range. But here what happened? H5 selected as the number, but range is what? H5 to H6. That means when you drag it down, all the values will be, yes, changed. So range should be H4 to H7 or yes. So yeah, H4 should be H5 when you go down. But when you go down, this should not be changed. What are the values will be changed? 4 becomes 5, 7 becomes 8. But we have to stop that. Again, 4 becomes 5, 7 becomes 8. So here, this value should be changed when you go down. But this range should not be changed. So, in front of 4, you're going to have the dollar mark. And in front of 7, you're going to have the dollar mark. Now look at this. What happened? You drag it down. When you drag it down, H4 becomes H5, but this part same. Because using dollar mark, we can keep it as a fixed value. And there are some places we have to drag something to the right. Then we have to fix what? Make all the column names fixed. Then in front of that, you will give dollar mark. Right. Now, finished. And how to find maximum and minimum value. How to find maximum and minimum value. Yes. Look at the maximum mark. Equal max, open bracket, select the range, close bracket. Now look at this. It's 97. See, this is the maximum value. And what about the minimum? Minimum equal min, open bracket, okay, close bracket. Again, these two also we can track it right. Then see here, we have what? Max D4 to D7. But here, max E4 to E7. That means row number will not be changed when you drag it right, but column name will be changed. Okay. And I need to have a chart on this. And before that, I need to sort this. How to sort this? Yes, select the text area or anything. You're going to sort, or with this heading level also you can select, right? Data sort. Here, quickly you can sort it with this A to Z, Z to A. Anyway, you need to give some criteria. Right. What is the column that you're going to sort? Column I rank. According to the rank, we'll sort column I, smallest to largest. My data has headers. When you click on that, what happens? Header, see? Okay, then it knows. Okay, header is there. Then okay. Now what happened? According to the rank, they have sorted it. They have sorted it. And another thing, right? Count. For example, Shinali is not there for science. Absent, right? Okay. Now I'm going to have to count for each subject. Count. Equal count, open bracket. It's another function. Close bracket. 4 students are there for maths. Science 3. Because AP is a text, so with count function, they will not consider text. I think it's clear. Yes. Now I'm going to draw chart. Now I'm going to draw chart. Select the cell range and what? Select the cell range. Okay. And insert chart. See, all the chart types are there. All the chart types are there. You can just click on the chart and you can have your chart. See, chart title. Right, chart title is there. Subject maths. What is this? Yes, what is this? Format legend. Legend. I chose all the colors and names. Right. And there is another way to get this chart. What? Right. Select the place data. Insert chart. Right. Insert. You can click on this and you have your step-by-step process. This is the chart I need. Okay. There are different types of charts. What are the chart types? Right, we'll see. These are the chart types. What is this chart type? Yes, you can see what? Column chart and bar chart. All the required things I will explain. Column chart. And what is this? Bar chart. And what is this? Line chart. And this is what? Pie chart. Scattered. Here, especially this pie chart, what happened? We need to show percentages. Percentages. And this is what? Column chart and bar chart. Yes. And another thing, filter. Insert filter. Not insert, filter. How to use filter? Look at this, filter. Filter, right? Okay, this is our table. Sorry. Now you can see name. See, we can remove some names or we can select all the names. Like that, we can filter it. See, smallest to largest, sorting part is also there. And we total, and we can filter some values. Okay, shall we go for a question? Yes, definitely. This is a question. Okay, right. Shall we take it? And let's find answers. Okay. Right. And then your questions. Right. I think now you can see it. Yes. Hope you can see clearly. Right. They have given okay. Right. Okay. Can you give me answers? Yes. Right. Write down the formula that should be written in B9 cell. Yes. Write down the formula that should be written in B9 cell in order to calculate the total basic salary. Let's go to the B9 cell. Right. Total basic salary. Here that means you need to get the total. And it asks what? Formula. It asks what? Write down the formula. But look at this. If it asks formula what? Okay. It should be B4 to B8. If it is regarding a formula how to write, equal B4 plus B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7 plus B8. But here they have asked this question like this. Formula as function. That means it should be a function. Then how to write the answer? Not this. What is the correct answer? Equal sum open bracket B4 to B8 close bracket. This is the correct answer because this is the function. And next one, name the formula which can be used, again formula, used to get the total number of teachers. You know, yes. Here, what is the, actually it's the function name, sum. to get the addition. Yeah, right? You need to get the total value. Then if it is regarding here, it is sum, but they ask what? Total number of teachers. Total number of teachers in B11 cell. Let's go to the cell. B11. Okay. That means here you have to use count. Here you have to use count. Okay. What is the name? Count. It should be count. They have asked only the name. And monthly welfare society of the teachers is charged 200 rupees from one person. Write down the formula to get the total amount of monthly received into C10. Let's go. C10. Right. C10. This one. Regional Development Bank loan. But here what? Yes. They ask what? Here, Regional Development Bank loan, that is regarding this. And here, basic salary, okay, here. 200 from, yes. How many teachers are there? 5. So, 200 into 5 is right. Then 200 is in B10, 5. Yes, B11, B10 and B11. B10 and B11 equal, right. Normally 200 into 5, that is 1000. But here what happened? Basic salary, they have given the mode. Basic salary minus Regional Development Bank loan minus Guru Setha loan installment minus teacher welfare installment. All the things you have to reduce. Right, again, let's go to the paper. See, basic salary minus, then that what happened? Basic salary. Okay. B4 equal B4 minus, yes, C4 minus D4 minus what? Yes, teacher welfare installment. That is 200. That is 200. There is a special case. How to type it? Yes. Basic salary. Basic salary is in B4. And yes, here welfare society B10. B4 minus C4 minus D4 minus B10. Right. Let's see. Equal B4 minus C4 minus D4 minus B10. But remember, B10 should be a fixed value. When you drag it down, 10 should be a fixed value. So, it should be what? Yes, $10. Right. And write steps to get what? Paid salary of other teachers into cell E8. Now what happened? Look at this. Now we got the value here. Then select the E4. Then there is a special case one, that is fill handle. Click on fill handle and drag it up to E8. Then press enter. Or release the, yes. Then you can get all the paid salaries. I think it's clear now. Right. Do you have any other doubt? Now let's go for another paper, right? Right. Hmm. Okay. Here you have it. Below the spreadsheet segment contains data on monthly sales for the last 6 months. See, price. Okay, what are the types? Here you can see all the types. Right, chili paste, mango, chutney, and prices of bottles in rupees. And monthly report. If it is chili paste, January it's 350, February 400 income. How to find it? Yes, let's type the answer. Okay, wait. Right. Let's take this sheet and let's discuss. Okay. Now what happened? Right. Here, income equal, right? Right. Equal 130 into, right? 130 to 350. 350. Right. How to give that value? 130 is from B to 3. B3. 300 is from B9. B9. Then, when you drag it down, 130 will be changed. B3 will be changed, but it should be a fixed value. So, here you have to put what? Dollar mark. Right. You can use dollar mark here also when you drag it down. B is a fixed value. So, that is not a special case. Right. And mango chutney, again income. How to get that value? Equal mango chutney 165. It's in B4. B dollar 4 into what? Yes, 175. D9. D9. Like that you can take all these things. Total income. Here, total income equals sum open bracket. What? C9 to C14. C9 to C14. Ish. Highest, it's maximum. Lowest, it's minimum. Average, it's average. Equal average, open bracket. Select the cell range. Right.